how do you envision the platform evolving to address the challenging landscape of travel and tourism?
Yes, next 2 years goal is making a platform like a way better. Everybody needs to travel. I'm not placing Voyage into a one segment. I want
Yeah.
women to travel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Startup Stories India. Today we have Rashmi with us from Vo Voyage. I would love to quickly give you an update of Vo Voyage and what Rashmi does. So, Miss Rashmi Chadda is the founder and CEO of Vo Voyage, a travel platform that empowers women to explore the world on their own terms. Vo Voyage connects female travelers with local hosts, guides, and experiences that are safe, authentic, and inspiring. Rashmi started this in 2016 after realizing there was a huge gap in the travel industry for women, especially who wanted to travel solo or in small groups. She has since grown Vo Voyage into a global community of over 50,000 women who share their passion for travel and adventure. She has been featured in Forbes, CNN, BBC, and other media outlets as a leading female entrepreneur and traveler. She has also received several awards and recognitions for her work, such as the Women in Travel Award, the Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award, and the Young Achiever Award. Hi, Rashmi. It's lovely to have you with us today on this podcast.
Hi, Devika. I'm so happy getting such a wonderful introduction. And with I got to know you are a traveler too, so I love women
Yes,
who travels.
I think it's going to be a very interesting conversation that we're going to have. So I'm very excited. But
Yes.
yes, I would like to start with my first question. Is that how did the idea of Go Voyage came to you, and how did you start this journey?
Um, so the startup ideas, it's not like a one day thing. You think about
Of
it,
course,
next day you start. So a lot of there's a lot of background to Voyage.
right.
Uh, so uh, so I remember like when I was very like young, like 8 years old, my mom took me to a road trip, and that time, not many women was driving or taking
Yeah.
their daughters out on a road trip. So my mom always loved traveling, and she like while growing up, I have learned, and she always so she's no more, and she
Oh,
always mentioned that women should go out, women can work. I used to play cricket. That was also a big thing. Being a
wow.
girl, I used to play cricket with boys because that time women cricket was not the thing.
Right,
And
right.
so she always pushed me, not thinking about gender, but the capabilities and you to explore things. Uh, so that was there. But then in 2003, there was a very big accident. My mom was saving a girl, and then those guys shot my mom. That was the first road rage case. Uh, I was 17. I lost my mom at a very young age, or to this incident that made me like a lot of
So sorry.
impact in my life. That
Mhm.
I need to create a safer space for women so that she can go out. And then when more women are start traveling, start working like we are, right? So it's anyways, we are, that people start accepting it. And these kind of incidents should go lesser. Like again, like we are reading recently about that women foreigner Spanish biker got raped.
Yeah.
That's
Yes,
big thing. But
of
then
course.
this kind of a case, it's come after so long. Still, we need to change perception in a lot of other states. But then when
Right.
more women are start traveling, we get more spaces, things. अ, हर अलग जगह पे चाहे वो ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर रहे हो या आप वैसे घूम रहे हो तो विमेन स्पेसिफिक चीजें आएंगी सेफ्टी आएंगी लोगों के दिमाग में थॉट प्रोसेस आएगा
Yes,
so
yes, of
that
course.
that was a thing and in 2016 I went to Gurdwara Manikaran उससे पहले क्या था I played sports and travel
Hmm.
so sports की वजह से I used to travel then I realized that I love travel more than like sports
Yeah.
at that this age so I was in Gurdwara Manikaran start doing seva जिसमें I worked as a guide to a lot of foreigners who's coming to Gurdwara I start guiding them especially women and I invited them to stay at my place तो होता है वैसा मैंने host बन गई एंड देन मेरे को रियलाइज करा कि दे थिंक अबाउट इंडिया इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. आई थिंक
Right.
ये सारे इंसिडेंट्स कनेक्ट करते गए. एंड 2016 में मैंने कुछ ट्रायल ट्रिप्स करे, लाइक अ गाइडिंग ट्रिप्स फॉरनर्स, विमेन जो इंडिया ट्रैवल करी थी. आई यूज टू टेक देम अराउंड. मैं उनसे पैसे भी नहीं लेती थी एक्चुअली. दैट बिकम अ लाइव रिसर्च फॉर मी. Or that's how Voyage came in. I registered as a LLP company in 2017 March. I registered because when I got clients, I understood this model can work out. And 2007 we registered as a private limited company. So that's what
Amazing.
that's a story. It's not a one day story, but there's a lot of things, a lot of
But I think
incidents that inspired me.
that's a
Yeah.
very beautiful and inspiring story. I think we understand what drove you towards that because even I've been in traveling since a very young age. Even I was involved in a lot of sports where I had to travel internationally to play. And always my parents used to accompany me because we know that in this world, young girls or girls in general cannot travel alone because it's very unsafe.
Mm.
And at this moment we have to create that barrier around us. We need to find that safe space. Today my mom is 50 years old and she has traveled half the world all by her own self,
Oh, wow.
and I think that's very inspiring. And that was one of the reasons I was so excited to get on this podcast with you, because I just wanted to know what drove you towards that, because I see that in my mom and then I saw that in you. So I think that's great what you're doing with all the women and girls out there who do want to travel but do not find a safe space to do so.
Wow. Yeah. No, thanks. But then again, we are becoming a bigger community and not just move ahead. I'm just
Of
saying.
course.
So I'll tell you, add on. I know that that was the introduction, but then we recently launched an app,
Yeah.
and we are the first women travel aggregator platform. So now what happened? We
Okay.
are partnering with smaller, like a women companies, women owned, or women like where 70% of women are working as
Right. Right.
guides or maybe like drivers. So we onboarding this as a partner. So what happened, like around the world, women are looking for any kind of services like a experience or booking even a cab
Yeah.
or even flights, right? I right now I can't hold like a flight, like a particular seats in flights, but that is also planned in future. I won't.
Yeah.
I'll ask these airlines not to give women a center seat like between two men. Even if
Yeah.
she married, she's young, we don't feel comfortable. Even some
Of
men
course.
also
Of
don't feel
course.
comfortable like that.
Yeah.
So, so that's how we come up with the new platform where we are partnering with women travel companies, women
Right.
guides, so they can register on a platform and, you can book tours very easily, from the
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah.
And this is something first of a kind. Community is quite growing. We have 100K plus on Instagram, but then
Yes. Yes.
yeah,
Lovely. I
and
saw.
yeah, so even on the website, uh, offline communities, and after COVID, now we recently launched app, so we are planning for a lot of offline events also with
Okay.
women, to come up with.
That's great. That's very nice. Congratulations on that success. So,
Thank you.
what challenges did you face while building a Voyage, and how did you overcome that?
Wow. So, let's come talk about challenges on. I think every founder face it. So it's not about the gender.
Absolutely.
It's
Right.
it's about like time is changing so fast, and especially in travel industry. So you'll go out and you'll find like 100 travel agents like around the
Yeah.
corner, and so you have to compete with everyone, even the big players like Yatra, Make My Trip, or
Yes.
Is My Trip, and with the smaller players, which is like 100 of them in the area. So that was a fight, but then we figured it out our area. Like, for firstly, like foreigners, females who are looking to travel India in a safer way, looking for a women guide. They want, suggestions, perfect stay, like a homestay. That's why this recent incident also like ignite, us. I'm not writing too much about it right now, but I'm gonna share because earlier also this was the thing, you know,
Right.
like some of the areas you are not safe. Even in India, or you travel to even to US, it's
Yeah.
not safe for women. So so these are the challenges we are facing. How the business is running so fast, and a lot of bigger players have a lot of investment, and then
Yeah.
we have to compete with them. So that's why we created our own niche, catering to women travelers,
Hmm.
especially certain segments in tier 1 and 2. So this is the one challenge, and the second one is technology is also changing so fast. Everyone wants like सब कुछ very convenient. You're
Of
seeing
course.
like आपने ad देखी, you come on the website or app,
Right.
you want to see like a tour packages, and then you want to chat on the spot, you want to call on the spot, and then you want to book it maybe in EMIs, because
Yeah.
Indian customer abhi bhi chahe women ho chahe koi bhi ho, they want to compare, and the
Yeah.
cost is also a big thing.
Of
They
course.
look for value on everything. So
Of course.
that is also a challenge ki, because हमारे पास इतना funds नहीं है to put in एक साथ में, and then again we will need to compete. So that is the thing. And the third thing is, if you say, that's a latest topic that we talked about investment. So we raised our funding in
Right.
2019, and then COVID happened. So COVID have changed everything. हमारा क्या था, जो रेवेन्यू आप इतना कर रहे थे, उससे अब कोविड में यूर ऑन जीरो रेवेन्यू. बट देन
Right.
वो आई टॉक अबाउट अनदर थिंग कि मैं जीरो रेवेन्यू पे नहीं रही थी. 4 months के बाद वी स्टार्ट जनरेटिंग ऑन अनदर वर्टिकल. But
Right.
raising a fund is also difficult for women founders. So that is like a personally gender thing. We faced it because, and
True. True.
travel industry is very male focused, dominant. you know.
Right.
So अगर आप देखोगे सारे मेल्स ही दिखेंगे आपको, women
We
founders
travel
बहुत कम
agents.
मिलेंगे.
Yes.
या
Yes.
लाइक वीना वर्ल्ड है, सो दैट इज अ फैमिली ओन. यात्रा में है सबीना, बट देन आई रियली शी इंस्पायर्स. But then
Yeah.
उन्होंने like they started a way back, now in the industry. Still,
Yeah.
women are not getting that kind of a space in travel,
Right.
and not funding. You heard, like, I think we are the only ones who got funding in travel, women focused company. No other company have got it. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that is like a weird thing. So that is, I count as a very big challenge for us, to raise
Absolutely.
another round. So yeah, these things. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. So we talked about your challenges and how you need to focus, had to focus on had to focus on your niche about female solo travelers.
Hmm.
Saying that, how does Go Voyage work and function, and how do you foster a sense of safety for your users or your travelers?
Hmm.
Because when you do, you need to ensure their safety and they get a good experience. So how do you ensure that?
Yeah. So again, first thing is, earlier, like when we started with only women guides. And these women guides also, we did a lot of training session. Even for example, Devika, you love something, like you love
Yeah,
shopping maybe, and
yeah,
then you're studying, and then you want to do a part-time job, right?
right.
Everyone can't work in KFC or McDonald's
True,
or
true.
other part-time things. So, or maybe somebody is studying in a NIFT and do. So we used to incline with them,
Yeah.
train them, those women guides, and they used to take like a shopping tour, so that foreigner females
Okay.
coming to India. So becomes, we make sure like some guiding tips and everything, the some
Hmm.
similar routes.
Yeah.
Then women cabs. So we partner with the company Sakha, and
Hmm.
then in a lot of other Bangalore also there is another women travel cab services.
Yeah.
We partner with them, and then some male driven cabs. But then so now on the our platform also you can book cab for anywhere, and
Okay.
those, like, we have partners which are trained, checked,
Hmm.
verified everything. It's not like कोई random driver आपको ऐसे ही मिल जा रहा है. So
Right.
they,
Right.
so, or a lot of cameras are there, in the cab.
Hmm.
आपको route maps होता है, and then the second thing, we have a line, WhatsApp chats. So आप हमारे से बात कर सकते हो कभी भी, आप
Okay.
कॉल कर सकते हो, stay. Then the second thing is where you are staying. That is
Hmm.
also we take care very nicely. Of course, see, 5-star hotels में रुक रहे हो, so it's already mostly safe, right? Good locality में है, काफी
Yeah.
secure areas हैं and all that. And we are talking to another level to 5 stars also. वो आगे future में आएगा.
Hmm.
Some things for women. But then when you come like other properties like ऑफ वे, वो भी हमारे बहुत चेक करके प्रॉपर्टीज रिकमेंड करते हैं. सो
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं है कि यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम द प्लेटफॉर्म देयर आर लाइक थाउजेंड ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज, एंड व्हेन यू आर
Right.
बुकिंग यू कैन सेव सी द सेफ्टी इंडेक्स.
Okay.
Whatever trip you are booking, so you can
Hmm.
see the safety index. That is one thing. Then, uh, when we are doing a group trip, we design itineraries, specifically, for uh, seeing that women will be traveling, and women and men travel very differently. Actually, most of the time,
True.
women wants like a lot of experiences. They want to go out. They
True.
want to do like a multiple things, and
Yes.
men usually, yeah, I'm not saying it's all the case.
Yeah.
So we make sure that we are including all these kind of experiences for women
Right.
travel, and then like our team leader who's like women and have a experience,
Yeah.
they will travel with them. So that's how that we make sure like all these areas are checked, which makes safer for women. uh, I think that's the thing that's we are working on, uh,
So I
because
believe that these are the protocols that you adhere to.
yeah.
That's
So
great.
yes, and then we of course we are looking if we raise next round of funds. So we are trying to do lot many things. मैंने कहा वही COVID आ गया था तो we like stop. But then in future you'll see a lot of up things, verticals we are coming in. In COVID we launched, actually before COVID we launched one hostel where we got like a whole floor for women like to stay,
Okay.
so that if you like somebody is looking for a budget travel, they are getting a separate space, not just like a dome, special area like 4 beds, but then whole floor so that women can feel
Yeah.
comfortable and go around and all that, right? So but then COVID, so now we are coming up with things, making it better for women travelers, any age. I am saying any
Yeah.
age. If
Yeah.
you're 13, 14 years old also, want to travel with her sister who's 18,
Wow.
we're getting a query because boards exam are going off. So we're getting a queries like this, like one, like a sister, she wants to take her younger sister with her, and parents are okay
Yeah.
because they are traveling with us. So that's what we
Okay.
feel confident, like these customers have on us.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Of course. So you mentioned COVID, and I think the true strength of a company and a founder is the put to test at such bad times. And COVID was a really bad time for the entire
Yeah.
world,
Yeah.
let alone just India. And you being having a travel company, people are not even allowed to leave their homes, let alone the city or the country. So
Yeah.
I think you braving that as a female founder alone in this organization. I think you braved it through. You came out from the other side really strong, and it's amazing to see how well you've handled everything and what stage you've got in this company too. Because I was just checking out your Instagram page, and it's amazing how many women travel have been traveling with you, how many followers you have. So it's really inspiring, and congratulations to you to do that. At
Thank
least
you.
that's such a hard time.
Yeah. No, thank you so much. And so I'll tell you in COVID what happened. We launched another vertical, which is so of course 4 months zero revenue, and so I realized, even worked with Yatra.com, like their founder reached out to me, like
Yeah,
connected with me to transform Yatra, and then I've taken over their social media to create another like a brand engagement on social media, because how we have built it, Voyage, they were very
hmm.
impressed with that. So, and that's how our another vertical came in, so that we are good in branding, consultancy,
Yeah, yeah.
and marketing in just travel. So we start doing it that way, and then another revenue stream start coming in. So we were not zero in in COVID times. We start making money, which was a good
That's
thing.
great. Yes,
So
of course.
yeah, which was a good thing. Yeah.
So Rashmi, how do you see travel industry evolving in the next decade?
Oh wow. So, Travel again, see, a lot of things are changing. Like earlier, there were a lot of people like offline agents, which
Yeah,
is like now you can see that almost vanished, right? There are few, but then still. So people are becoming very tech friendly. So a lot of opportunities, new opportunities are coming up, and a lot of opportunities like that the players already there are going off.
yeah,
But yes, if you see large, now the Gen Z, Gen X or whatever the
yeah,
generation is, they are more in, their lifestyle is very different from,
different.
like maybe like for you see maybe your mother
Yeah,
like among few of like in 50s who wants to do these kind of things, but
yes,
then
yes,
like if you see around, no, not many spend on travel. They want to save money, they want
true.
to buy gold jewelry, they want to invest somewhere, all that. Maybe they do a trip once a year, but then that newer generation, like you guys, you want to go like every month somewhere, right? So I think
True.
travel is becoming a part of life now, which is very
Life.
important. I remember when I used to play sports, and वो actually मेरे साथ यही था कि खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब वाला types. Everyone
Yeah,
used to say that. But then
say
I
that.
excel. I played so many school nationals. I got scholarships, in my school, college. My life, I think, because of sports, worked out so well. But then my parents were, okay with it. Not everyone was that. Even
True.
others, मतलब औरों के मम्मी पापा भी मेरे पे वो करते थे कि इसके साथ मत खेलो and all that. So those kind of perception was there. But now perception has changed. And that is what working out. Travel has
Yeah.
become essential for everyone. And that
Exactly. That is
essential,
why I was thinking
yeah,
that travel is not anymore a luxury, it's a necessity.
yes,
Because people do want to go and travel to
yeah,
explore the world, to take a break from their life, everyday life. So
yeah.
it's like a necessity for them.
Yes. So, yes. So, for the necessity, yes, there's more demand and then
Yes,
more
of
coming in.
course.
And then for like that's what I'm saying, in coming future, like I'll be creating a lot of properties like this, IPs like this, so that more women from even, I'm not saying tier two, three also I want to target.
Yeah,
Experience based, learning based, and all kind of a things I want to who wants to create it. So
right.
yeah, this long way to go, but then yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But yes, travel is anyways contributing lot in our GDP. तो आई थिंक
Yeah,
अभी वो बहुत इम्पैक्ट करेगा, लोगों की सोच भी बदलेगी, चीजें भी बदलेंगी
true.
और बेटर होता जाएगा. So
Of
that's
course.
what I'm thinking. Yeah.
So, what unique experiences or destination does Go Voyage offer the travelers that they won't find anywhere else? And this is a very important question because based on your answers, I know that me, my colleagues, my friends, you would all love to go depending on what kind of answer you give. So it's a very essential answer that you're going to give right now.
Yeah, amazing. So I'll tell you one thing. So we launch our Ladakh trip. So Ladakh trip we really found
Okay.
वो Pangong और वो वाला सारा, we
Right,
doing our
right.
usual trip. Everyone is doing it. You can compete on cost or anything. But we come up with
Yeah.
a trip where we I want to take you guys to the Kargil, which not many people know about that kind of a Kargil.
True.
आप
Yeah.
श्रीनगर से कैसे आप कारगिल जा सकते हो?
Hmm.
कारगिल में कई इतनी सारी सुरू वैली, आर्यन वैलीज, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल वैलीज है, better than Switzerland. I have been to
Really?
Switzerland and it's better than Switzerland. And such
Okay.
raw experiences. And then अभी क्या है, अप्रैल में apricot season होगा. So that's experiential travel we are creating. And then of course, there is a regular itinerary also to follow because a lot of people they wanted to do similar time. So that's how
Yeah.
we differentiate. Like for Japan, I am working on something because a lot of now companies start partnering. Earlier, when I used to go to Japan, not
Hmm.
many or anyone used to go to Japan, but now Japan has become a thing.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
so I am creating एक तो normal package हो गया which everyone is doing, so everyone.
Hmm.
But then
Right.
I'm trying to create personally for a budget travelers. Budget travels means वो 1 लाख से ऊपर ही जाता है थोड़ा. But then I'm trying to make, so I'm gonna launch it soon, and then not on cherry blossom. I'll take you guys in autumn. So that's how we make it different. So that I want
Okay.
more women to travel and go out. Go up. Everyone promote they want to make money. So that's not a perspective. I want to make
Yeah.
you. guys travel. And same way we partner with like hostel chain. Abhi we partner with
Okay.
Go Stop and we will be doing a lot of things with them. So
Right.
that's how we make, we differentiate ourselves among the all travel agents. So yeah.
So how do you handle the itinerary? Like some people, if they're a bit of a younger age, around my age, they would want to party, go out, explore the nightlife. But in the same group, if you had people a little more to the higher age, they just want to, relax, go to spas, enjoy the beach. So how do you mix and match, and how do you handle that? How do you cater to that request?
Yeah. So in this, so what happened? Again, it's depend on a lot of budget, because when we are doing the spa and luxury, any which
Yeah,
way there is a that's a luxury segment coming in,
true, true. Yes,
and
of course.
like somebody wants to go spa and then somebody wants to go party, you can do that actually. That's not a problem. Because
Yeah,
अगर 10 लोग travel कर रहे हैं तो 5 लोग ये कर सकते हैं. 5 they want to relax. So
yeah,
party वैसे भी आप हर वक्त party नहीं करते हो. You have a party time
true.
till for example 8 to 12. आप
Yeah,
जैसे you go to Thailand. So in Thailand there can be a mixed group which do like a normal
of
activities.
course.
You go, आप जेम्स बॉन्ड आइलैंड जाते हैं, हम कोफी पी कराबी में घूम रहे हैं,
Yeah,
हम
yeah,
रायले जाते हैं, एंड देन इन द नाइट like of sunset के बाद somebody wants to go back in the room and relax and someone want to party, that is
yeah.
fine. And but then that's not a perspective कि हम सिर्फ पार्टी ट्रिप कर रहे हैं या ऐसा
Hmm.
कुछ बना रहे हैं. और मैं तो वैसे भी नहीं जाती पर्सनली, टीम लीडर्स जाते हैं. सो या even I don't do that much party now, so I don't know.
राइट 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 बट समटाइम्स ऐसे कुछ होता है ना इन सम कंट्रीज और स्पेसिफिक सिटीज की नहीं दिस इज नोन फॉर इट्स पार्टी प्लेस दैट यू जस्ट वांट टू विजिट कि देख के आए होता कैसे है
बट
आई
मोस्टली
थिंक
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर एक्चुअली. अगर आप देखोगे भी तो
नो नो
50
आई टोटली
ईयर,
अग्री
या
आई टोटली
अगर
अग्री
आप 50 years old भी देखोगे, दे वांट टू पार्टी मोर देन मे बी 20-year
आई
old.
एग्री
एंड दे
आई
नो हाउ
एग्री
एंड दे नो हाउ टू पार्टी. So it's not like that. So again depends.
यस
Like for example, I am not a party person. I don't go that much, for
ओके
it. So but sometimes ठीक है, मूड है, अच्छा माहौल है तो I also go. तो डिपेंड करता है. But then you can rest. तो ग्रुप में ऐसा नहीं होता. Group is more fun. You're meeting new people
ऑफ
and
कोर्स
unknown people. आप उनसे मिल रहे हो तो कई फ्रेंडशिप्स तो बहुत लास्ट भी कर जाती है. एंड देन इट्स नॉट अ कंपल्सरी कि आप जा रहे हो तो आपको सबसे बात भी करनी है. It's your
ट्रू
own wish. So solo trip में you're meeting a group, so that makes more
या
interesting.
या
So
या
and you more comfortable. So और आपको काफी दुनिया का पर्सपेक्टिव भी पता चलता है, कौन कैसे ट्रैवल करना चाहता है.
बिल्कुल true true that's true so talking about different people coming together so how do you foster a sense of community among your travelers and connect them with the local cultures
Yeah. So we make sure that wherever they are traveling, we include like a
hmm.
lot of local people and
Yeah.
activities for that. Like I mentioned
Hmm.
about Ladakh, right? Ladakh
Yeah.
में Kargil needs a lot of tourism, so I am
Yeah.
trying to boost that, especially apricot season. Apricot season is very good. You can experience. So local people will come in and they can explain how they are growing and doing things. You're staying in a properties which is owned by local people, so you're
Hmm.
contributing in the income generation also for them. So that we make sure like we will have like local foods. They need to understand the history of the place. It's
Yeah.
very, that's what I mentioned. I will like Kargil, what we know is
Yeah.
different when we go there. So you will learn a lot about that staying there. वो मुसाफिर का, कारगिल जो जगह थी वो मुसाफिर के लिए थी. सो अराउंड द वर्ल्ड लाइक अफगानिस्तान से और अरेबिक और देशों से कारगिल में आके जो पुराने स्टाइल में हम जैसे मूवीज में देखते थे, वो लोग सारे वहां पर आके मिलते थे एंड दे यूज टू डू
Okay.
बिजनेस देयर. सो कारगिल वाज द सेंटर फॉर इट. यू नो
Yeah.
बट देन ऑफ कोर्स जब हम इंडिया से जब जब मतलब इंडिया पाकिस्तान बन गया, मतलब उस पार्ट से
Hmm.
पाकिस्तान को दे दिया गया, तो ये
Yeah.
रूट्स रुक गए. सो आई एम जस्ट
Okay.
सेइंग द amazing histories are there which I think are travelers should also know about it. मतलब ट्रैवल का मतलब सिर्फ यही नहीं है कि आपने, ठीक है, खूबसूरत नज़ारे हैं वो आप देखते हो, बट आपको वहां
Yeah.
पे भी जानना पड़ेगा कि कैसी कैसी चीजें आ रही हैं. आप उस जगह से और फील लाइक कनेक्टेड फील करते हो फिर. वो वी मेक श्योर.
Hmm. That's great. So, with your extensive background in marketing and brand development, as you mentioned in the introduction as well. How do you approach building and maintaining relationship with your audience and stakeholders, especially in the travel industry?
Okay. So actually, my I have done my mass communication, so I'm not from
Okay.
this, but yes,
Um,
we build, Voyage as a very reliable brand,
yeah.
and the lot of process to it. Uh, so what happened? That's what I mentioned. Like we take care of like a smaller things, and we don't just. I know money is very important. Building any company, that numbers is very important. But for
Yeah.
us, customer is also very important. That's the part.
True.
So whatever they require, and before service and after service is also very important. So we call them, and then see, travel and hospitality is a very big industry, and you can't
Hmm.
control everything. अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आप दिल्ली में लैंड हुए और आपको दिल्ली से मतलब एयरपोर्ट से आपको अपने होटल में आना विच इज इन सीपी, एंड बीच में ट्रैफिक हो गया या हमारी गाड़ी पंक्चर हो गया,
Yeah.
that was not in our control.
Right.
But then still people have their views, right? So, but we make sure we call them, we ask them, we make them understand why happened, right? So
Yeah.
that is very important. Like customer before, आप उनका बड़ा ध्यान रख रहे हो कि you're explaining everything,
Yeah.
building for them, trips, and after service is also important, So
Right. Right.
that's the mantra for Voyage. We take care, and I make sure that my team also, whosoever is interacting with the customers, मैं कहती हूँ कि आप ऐसा प्लान करो कि planning for your sister, that trip.
Your whole
So
family. Yeah.
yeah, so what do you think, they want best in it? So yes, that's how. Yeah.
So, what are your views about forming a rapport with all these clients? Do you and your short?
We can do a cut. हम नॉन स्टॉप बोल रहे हैं बहुत देर से, sorry for that.
No worries.
Sorry. Yes.
Yes, so I was asking that what are your views about forming a rapport with all these clients? Do you and your team actually believe that they should have a one-on-one conversation or that familiarity and that comfort level with all these clients?
Uh, so what happened again? It's a tech-savvy world. People don't have time. Women are working. So, like, see, some people want it. Some
Yeah,
are okay with it. So when they want,
right.
have a conversation, they want to understand. So we make sure, we want to go through, make our team, arrange a
Yeah,
call and, explain them, them like itinerary and everything. Some they what happen, they go on a platform. Actually, we are trying to make it like so, easy, and that the UX should be so good that when you come, like everything so explanatory on the website or
right, right.
on the app. You can read a blog to take your decision or get inspired. You can
Hmm.
build your own itinerary using AI, which
Yeah,
like you have hotels and flights, everything sync in. You can book that, and then some like we have a group departures.
yeah,
So in group departures also you can go and book automatic, like we'll take you to the payment gateway. You can understand day wise itinerary.
yeah.
That's what happened. Or you can call on our call center number, and
Okay.
if you have some queries, you can ask. So that's how it is happening.
Okay, lovely, lovely. So we would love to, get some names or examples of how Voyage has collaborated with, organizations or influencers for that matters, because we see there have been like too many influencers nowadays capturing the market space and the social media. So have you like partnered with them and, to expand your reach and impact within the travel community?
Uh, I think like we are also into influencer marketing, but we have not collaborated
Okay.
with influencer yet.
Okay.
So, but yeah, future, because see, in last 3 4 years, it's picked up influencer marketing, and then like 3 years, like it was COVID. So now we are looking to, let's see, we will collaborate. We have already built a good relationship with a lot of creators, and I
Yeah.
myself create content. So, so yeah, let's see, I want to do that.
Lovely, lovely. That's great. So, as a visionary leader in the travel and tech space, what advice would you offer to aspiring entrepreneurs, especially women who are passionate about driving innovation and positive change in, travel or any other industry?
Yeah. So, uh, I think if you are uh, passionate about something
Hmm.
and you find problems in it, then
Yeah,
go ahead and solve it.
yeah,
Uh, that can make your business go like you're launching something because you will stay passionate because at times I'll tell you like simple add-on story थोड़ा
yeah.
क्योंकि एट टाइम्स ऐसा भी होगा कि आपका बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा भी चल रहा है और बहुत जीरो भी चल
Hmm.
रहा है बट जिस चीज
True,
के लिए आप
true.
पैशनेट हो ना यू वांट टू गिव सॉल्यूशन टू इट यू विल
Yeah,
स्टे यू विल स्टिक टू इट एक्चुअली so you take this like don't take random decision in life. Figure
yeah,
it out. If you find out that there is a problem and you want to solve it, then go ahead. Whether
yeah,
it's travel, it's technology, it's a household thing, anything. I think it's a startup thing or any business need like a problem need to be solved and that's how you create a different space. और बाकी जो ऑलरेडी चल रहा है 10 दुकानें एक जैसी खुली हुई है आपको 11वीं दुकान खोलनी है तो ठीक है आप उनसे थोड़ा सा बिजनेस ले लोगे 11वीं दुकान का बट देन उसमें भी अगर आप इनोवेशन अपनी दुकान अच्छी नहीं सजाओगे तो इट वोंट वर्क आउट बट और उसमें भी क्या होगा
true,
कभी
true.
यू आर जीरो कभी यू आर 100 तो यू हैव टू टेक दैट जर्नी एटलीस्ट मैं कहती हूँ किसी भी बड़े अच्छे स्टार्टअप को बनाने के लिए अगर आप फंडिंग फंडिंग पे नहीं रह रहे हो यू
Hmm.
टेक एटलीस्ट 6 to 7 years यू नो
Yeah,
आप कोई भी शॉर्ट रन में नहीं बना सकते हो it
true,
takes
true.
6 to 7 years to do something like this so अब आप अपनी लाइफ का उतना टाइम निकाल पाते हो उतना कर पाते हो देन गो अहेड
Yeah.
ऑल द बेस्ट और लोग तो कहेंगे हर चीज में कहते हैं तो चाहे एक्चुअली इसमें तो जेंडर भी ना बोले लड़का हो चाहे लड़की हो दे विल टेल यू
Hmm.
लाइक दिस वोंट
Yeah.
वर्क आउट बट देन स्टिल अगर तुम पैशनेट हो तो तुम उसमें लड़ी रहोगे मतलब यू विल गो बियॉन्ड दैट so that's
Of
what
course.
I have advice. But then if you feel intuition aa rahi hai, go ahead. Don't listen to anyone. Go ahead.
Of course. And I think also focusing on that one thing that you really want is important. Because nowadays you see, like, not even nowadays, पहले भी you would see that अगर किसी को कुछ और path दिखता, they used to go to that. They never used to stick to one thing. So I think it's very important that you have this thing in your mind and you want to achieve that. You need to stick with it even after failures. You need to, perceive and put your all your heart and all your efforts into that.
Yeah.
I think it's very important.
Yes. It's like
So,
एक और भी चीज है like you I believe in manifestation. तो अगर
of
जैसा ही
course.
मैनिफेस्ट करते हो अच्छी फीलिंग लाते रहोगे ना वो अपने आप वर्कआउट कर जाएगा so you
Right.
have to stick to it. It's like also a relationship. You're getting married to your business. So you
Of
have to
course.
stick to it. आप आप ब्रेकअप करना चाहोगे तो आप टूटोगे तो है ही और फिर से वापस ग्राउंड जीरो पे आ जाओगे सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट फर्स्ट गेटिंग इनटू दैट रिलेशनशिप और थिंक अबाउट इट लाइक दैट ऑल द पॉइंट्स और आई
Yes.
बिलीव इन एक और बड़ी अच्छी चीज है माइंड मैपिंग आई लव दिस
Hmm.
आइडिया ऑफ डूइंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स तो अगर आप माइंड मैपिंग करते हैं ना उससे आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं क्या पॉइंटर्स हैं उसके बारे में वो
Yeah.
और क्लियर पिक्चर देता है उसमें बट देन
Hmm.
अगेन मैंने कहा ना मैं गाइड से शुरू हुई थी विमेन गाइड से और आज जाके बिजनेस मॉडल कहाँ ले आए हैं अभी भी उसमें बहुत सारा वर्टिकल लाना है सो
Right. Right.
इट्स कीप इवॉल्विंग अराउंड तो ये भी चीज है मार्क जकरबर्ग अब फेसबुक मेटा इतना फेमस हो रखा है उसने भी कहाँ कैसे शुरू करा था और देन कहाँ गए तो एवरी बिजनेस यू सी
Yeah.
दे हाउ दे स्टार्टेड एंड दे हैव ट्रांसफॉर्म वो भी बदल जाता है so
Lovely. I just love how you talking and आपके क्या views हैं about startups and companies and in general. That's really great, and I think it gives a very fresh perspective to everyone out there. And so, talking about your experience, like how did it help you to approach and building and leading Go Voyage?
sorry can you
Considering all your past experiences, whatever you learned, how did it shape your approach in building Voyage?
oh wow again I've been always
I think
a
you must have learned something, this
yeah
to do, this
yeah
not to do.
uh, yes I always, I'm very like a strong-minded like a women.
Hmm.
I believe in a lot of things actually. I
Yeah.
don't believe वाला बहुत कम होता है. I just believe in doing things actually. So I stay very positive about things. So I don't know, like maybe some of the like you like listening to it, maybe relate to it कि जब आप
Yeah.
believe करते रहते हो that will work out. मैंने बोला ना manifestation में
Was.
हो. So don't believe नहीं होता, believe में होता है. So I believe that Voyage can create revolution in travel, a lot of
Hmm.
space, and then coming from like India and creating a global mark. I think Voyage can create that. And then in next, I'm saying, in next 5, 7 years, I think
Hmm.
any which way in travel industry, especially women, the people used to talk about it's a niche, बहुत छोटा number है. And like
Yeah.
women are the most like decision maker in travel. So we
Yeah.
want to become a global leader. So that's what I'm manifesting. I believe in that UAH can become a global leader. And to
Yeah.
reach making it global leader, we have to do a lot of things, which we are working on.
Yeah.
So
True.
uh, whether it's for branding, it's for customer service, or our technology. So we are working on always. Yeah.
Okay. So we did talk about AI and how everyone is so dependent and needs all this on the internet or the artificial intelligence that we have nowadays. Talking about that, like, so technology is so foremost today. So how do you think it plays a vital role in every single industry, and like what role does technology and AI play, especially in the travel industry?
Wow. So I mentioned initially also technology is changing so fast, and then
Absolutely.
everyone wants to make
It's
things
hard to
very.
keep up now.
Yes, they are hard to keep up now. And if you see like people making travel decision earlier, they used to like have an inspiration seeing from a movie or somewhere, and then they go out search for it. They go on,
Yeah.
TripAdvisor to find reviews about the place.
Mhm.
On Google, they see again reviews, and on Facebook, they used to see that videos and anything. But now what happened from Instagram that creators are creating videos and that's going viral. Everyone wants to do the other way out. They want to just
Okay.
go for trips. So what happened? Technology, like people are taking very sudden decisions also. Like
Yeah.
you have a holiday after 2 weeks. Now you can plan your trip. So
Yeah.
if you want to travel by bus, so our bus services are there. Like you can book a bus trip or you can
Hmm.
book through railway. IRCTC also like partner with Goa Weibo, or you
Okay.
can design your itinerary using AI. Like you can go on Voyage and you can design your itinerary by AI, and then usme hotels and flights and everything is inclined. It's like a 10 minutes thing. You can do it.
Yeah.
So technology is playing very amazing role, making it easier for customer to book it. And like a quick plan पहले की तरह नहीं है. You have to go, आप किसी की शॉप पे ट्रैवल एजेंट पे जा रहे हो, अपॉइंटमेंट लेके जा रहे हो, यू आर डूइंग लाइक ऑफलाइन बुकिंग. सो
Yeah.
आजकल that's what. So the technology playing a very big role uh,
Right.
in a both ways, like customer before deciding and the trip, that process, and even customer coming back. Even आजकल क्या है that everyone is an influencer. You are 500 followers also, and you went to a trip to Vietnam, and then you are creating a video like
Yeah.
out of 500, I'm sure 100 people will want to go who follows you to Vietnam and
True.
do the similar thing. So
Yeah.
that's what technology and social media and everything is doing to people. So yeah,
Very powerful, I believe. It's changing and shaping the minds of the people all around.
yeah,
And I think a lot of people just go to see some very specific things and some aesthetical places which are mostly edited. So I think that also makes a lot of difference in their heads as to whether they should visit that place or not.
yeah. No, authenticity is what is like people are looking for, and that is coming actually. A lot of creators are also changing and
Yeah.
showing it. Personally, me like I don't I show very real thing. I don't use filters and everything. I
Yeah.
try to make people like whatever I am doing right now. Like I remember I was traveling to Indonesia, and I traveled in a train in Indonesia. Not many people have shown it. Like I got like so many views and so many comments. even from some amazing people in India, like at
Okay.
such like big companies. They are directors in travel companies, or like a stays and everything.
Yeah.
So I was feeling very glad that being authentic, I'm showing everything. So
Yeah.
even उसमें मैंने ये भी बताया था कि यहाँ पे कौन सा ट्रेन में चार्जर भी लगता है. So people being, because that's like the importance of traveling, आप जब जा रहे हो आपको अपना
Absolutely.
फोन चार्ज करना है, that is also important point.
True, true, true. Of
So yeah,
course.
authenticity is what people are looking for. But some creators are amazing. I think if you like, whosoever is listening, if they're following those travel creators, they can plan their trip amazingly. But पता चल जाता है कौन filter use कर रहा है और कौन नहीं.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
So, looking ahead, what are your aspirations and goals for Voyage, and how do you envision the platform involving to address the challenging landscape of travel and tourism?
Yeah, so again, the goal in next, I am not saying next 5 years, next 2 years goal is making a platform like a way better, uh,
Hmm.
so that you can consume the content and so you can
Yeah.
book through it. And then after service also, we can give it like a nice 5-star service to most of the travelers. Uh, Building offline communities and online communities, like building online communities and connecting them offline also
Hmm.
is what the dream is for
Yeah.
Voyage. And I'm looking forward. If you are listening, you're women, come check it out, Voyage. I'm sure you're gonna experience some great things. Even women who's like solo, they don't have travel partners.
Hmm.
They can also join our trips and feel comfortable traveling with other women.
Yeah.
And whatever budget, I am looking. We are launching few more trips within like a budget also, in different budgets, like you can travel like for 8-10K to
Yeah.
like lakh, so that every woman should travel. I'm not placing Voyage into a one segment. I want
Yeah.
women to travel. So yeah.
Right, right, of course. So we did talk briefly about the Ladakh trip that Go Voyage offers. We would, everyone who's listening to this podcast would love to know if you also offer international trips, and if not, then is it a part of your future expansion strategy?
No, we are already doing, uh we
Oh,
are
great.
yeah, one.
Would you like to mention which ones and which countries are you focusing on?
So we are doing Vietnam. We are doing Japan.
Okay.
Japan is also, we are recommended by actually Visit Japan on their page, official website. We are doing
Hmm.
Indonesia. Indonesia, not just Bali, but then offbeat Labuan Bajo. Uh,
Yeah.
we are planning for Thailand, Philippines, uh, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, a lot of international
Oh,
trips too.
lovely, lovely,
So you have a
lovely.
lot of options to see. In next 2 weeks, you'll see more trips coming up on the website, like app. So you can download the
That's
app now. It
yeah.
will be great. And do review us also.
Done, done. Of course, I
Yeah.
will. So, could you just share a memorable success story or like a transformational journey that a voyage traveler experienced? One or two would be great.
Amazing. Yeah. So I remember there was a trip to McLeodganj, and one mother like traveled with her 2 kids. One was a son.
Hmm.
हम क्या करते हैं, जो
Okay,
लड़का बच्चा अगर उनका बेटा भी है किसी का, तो वो 8 years से छोटा होगा तो they can travel with the women.
got it.
So actually उस वाले केस में बड़ा स्पेशल केस था. She spoke to me, and then I got to know that their father, like husband, passed away
Oh,
like a month back, and she traveled
hmm.
with us with both the kids. And after that, also she mentioned like she enjoyed it, connected with her kids, feel
Yeah,
lower a lot better because they were going for emotional turbulence, right? And losing a father or a husband, like it's it's unbelievable, right? Lot of emotion. So I think I felt so nice, we being part of something, in their journey, which was really great.
yeah.
Or similar kind of thing. So what happened? There is a like two foreigner females. एक both actually Britishers, but then they both lived in Africa also while growing up.
Okay.
दोनों की शादी अलग अलग कंट्री में, एक ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एंड देन एक जो है कनाडा में. uh, 6 साल बाद वो हमेशा से इंडिया ट्रैवल करना चाहती थी. 6 साल एंड दे
Okay.
लाइक उस टाइम पे जब वो ट्रैवल कर रहा था दे 60. तो वो
Hmm.
6 साल बाद मिल रही थी और वो इंडिया में मिली. तो एयरपोर्ट पे व्हेन दे मेट, बिकॉज वी
Yeah.
ऑर्गेनाइज दैट ट्रिप,
Yeah.
व्हेन दे मेट they like start crying, and then that seeing that, like, everything that was a story. And they did whole golden triangle, वो मैंने वो and then we went to
Yeah.
Kerala also. तो काफी सारी जगह
Okay.
पे घूमे. वो that was a story, कि we were being part of, reuniting two sisters and their dream
That's
of
amazing.
exploring India. So
Yeah.
ऐसी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हैं किसी किसी में. काफी सारे ऐसे क्रिएटर्स थे जो हमारे साथ पहले जो बन रहे थे, ऐसे ट्रैवल करे,
Yeah.
बाद में पता चला वो ट्रैवल क्रिएटर बन गए हैं. So a lot of stories are there,
Yeah.
life की changing stories. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So, since you deal with so many female travelers and it's all about their safety and exploring the world by their own selves, how do you handle complaints from these female travelers?
Yeah. Again मैंने mention बोला कि it's a very broader space, and हर कोई हर चीज से खुश नहीं होता है. But we try to make it like like no error thing. But ऐसा नहीं है कि पहली बार में नहीं हुआ था. एरर हुआ था, मैं
Hmm.
झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी.
Yeah.
आपको होता है ऐसी चीजें, बिकॉज but then उसमें हमने क्या करा, I personally called them,
Hmm.
apologized, spoke to them. Like for example किसी होटल में चद्दर गंदी थी. Of
Yeah.
course that's not like a art thing.
Your,
आप अगर for example
yeah.
somebody is booking for a 8,000 trip और आप luxury experience मांग रहे हो,
Hmm.
वो at times it can be very difficult for
Yeah.
us also to manage. Or but then we make sure we call them, we apologize. uh,
Yeah.
we believe in creating a next good experience for them.
Sure.
We
Sure.
take their feedback in a positive way. We give them
Hmm.
to like properties also. या जहाँ पर भी ऐसा error हुआ है, we convey them, these kind of things. So that is also like that's how we can't control everything again.
Yeah.
But then we being part of that journey, so
Yeah.
हम जरूर कन्वे जरूर करते हैं और उसको ट्राई करते हैं कि नेक्स्ट टाइम पे ऐसा ना हो. अगर कुछ ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है तो वी डोंट वर्क विद दैट प्रॉपर्टी. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
Yeah.
सेइंग. So
Of course. So we did talk about, having creating a positive change, and you're a voice to that, and listening to your inspirational journey as to how you started it. Being in that position and as a female entrepreneur, what would you advise to an aspiring woman or a young girl who are passionate, about creating a positive impact or change in this country or in this world or just in this space?
ah, wow, just in travel, or you're saying like broad? I think I've shared that in last like we talked about it, I think थोड़ी देर पहले. बट मेरे को फिर से मेंशन करना है कि अगर आपको कुछ दिल से फील होता है और आपको लगता है कि आपको बदलना है, तो आप उसके लिए जरूर करें, है ना. उसके लिए यू शुड गो फॉरवर्ड.
Yeah.
कुछ बातों का ध्यान दें, क्योंकि वो आसान जर्नी नहीं रहती है कि सब कुछ आपको बना बनाया इजी से
True,
मिल गया है.
true.
So you have to go lot through that. So being an
Yeah.
entrepreneur, it's not easy. It's not like you're working for 5 hours and you're chilling. So
Yeah.
you have to work like even 18 hours. अभी जैसे मैंने बताया कि मेरे को नी में इंजरी थी, but then I promised someone, so I have to
Yeah.
go there. तो मेरे को
Yeah.
जितना भी था, बट आई हैव टू गो देयर. सो
Yeah.
वो क्योंकि मेरा काम है, मेरी कमिटमेंट है, तो आई हैव टू फुलफिल दैट. और यही सेम वे में अगर कुछ आप किसी भी चीज में आप इम्पैक्ट किसी के भी थ्रू कर रहे हैं, यू हैव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, यू हैव टू बी आंसरेबल. सो
Right.
अगर आप उसके लिए रेडी हैं तो गो अहेड. बाकी विमेन वैसे ही इतनी स्ट्रांग होती हैं, सो आई थिंक मेरे को लगता है इफ यू हैव समथिंग, जस्ट बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. डोंट वेट फॉर अदर पीपल टू मेक यू रियलाइज कि आप तुम कर लोगी. ऐसा नहीं होता.
Yeah.
बोलो मैं कर लूंगी, मैं कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है, तो लाइक दैट, सो यू गो फॉर इट. उसके बाद अपने आप पे बिलीव करो एंड देन एवरीथिंग विल वर्क आउट फॉर यू. अप्स डाउन सबके में होते हैं. फॉर मेन ऑल्सो द सेम थिंग, फॉर वुमेन ऑल्सो इट्स द सेम थिंग. You're an entrepreneur. It's not like a women entrepreneur and a men entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is entrepreneur. So yeah.
Of course. True, true.
Yeah.
So, after this very amazing conversation, now we know that you love to travel and you love to make all the women around you travel.
Yeah.
So, just for fun, what would be your favorite destination to travel to? If you've given a chance that no money, nothing, you just have to travel to this place, this city, or this country, where would you pack your bags and go?
Oh wow. I, so I've traveled so many countries. It's gonna be new country, right?
No, either way. After this, you ask this question to me and I'm going to answer, but right now I want to hear this from you.
Okay. So I love actually I love Japan. I have been
Yeah.
there like already 30 times. I think I would love to go again. I love Indonesia. I think I can go again. Like Indonesia is so beautiful. In India, I love Ladakh. I love Kashmir. It's so beautiful. I love Chhattisgarh. It's so unexplored.
Yeah.
And yeah, so there are a lot of places. But then अभी
Yeah.
list इतने big कर लेते हैं. I think I'm going beyond.
But personally, for me, I no, I've not been internationally too much, but I have visited most of the India, and I think if given a chance, I would, in a blink of an eye, would love to travel to Kashmir
Uh,
because I think for me that was a surreal experience. That was the first time I visited that place about 6 years ago, and that was the first time I ever saw snow in
oh,
Gulmarg and Pahalgam, and I was just standing there looking at the beautiful landscape that our country has. And it was just surreal. I was
yeah.
just standing there for half an hour, just looking at the sky, the snow. And I think the vibe and the people and just the air that I breathed there was amazing. And I would love to go there again and
Yeah.
again. I think that
Kashmir.
was,
Yeah.
I think even the beauty and the experience that you have in that place matters a lot for a person and a traveler.
Yeah. Let's go to Kashmir together. So we
Done.
are
I
doing
am
trip
in. I
soon.
am in.
I've done like every year I do a trip to Kashmir.
Lovely.
For
Lucky.
yeah, and then for ये थोड़ा off मेरा family trip हो जाता है. I travel with my husband on his birthday. So we were
Yeah.
there in Pahalgam और हमने like you can go and see the content also of Kashmir.
Done. Done.
I have never seen something so beautiful. और वो पूरे दिन भर snow हो रहा था. And then I was just walking in the snow. And मेरे कितने मैंने I walked like almost 6 kilometers.
Oh.
Like in the snow, like that was like my best experience in my life. Uh,
And thank you so much for coming on this podcast. I had a lovely time.